and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome back to Baby Zone. आज हम वीडियो लेकर आए हैं एक बहुत ही कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन के ऊपर कि विंटर्स में आपके अपने टॉडलर बेबी के साथ क्या रूटीन है. मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑलरेडी नो, बट जिनको नहीं पता, जो हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आ रहे हैं, वार्या अभी 3 इयर्स की है एंड इट्स पीक विंटर्स वेयर वी लिव. वी आर इन चंडीगढ़ एंड बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पर. It has also rained for an entire week. So I get this question very often कि आप वार्या का बाथ रूटीन क्या फॉलो करते हो, या अब जब स्कूल बंद है कोविड की वजह से तो आपकी मॉर्निंग रूटीन क्या रहती है वार्या के साथ. तो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे वार्या की मॉर्निंग रूटीन के बारे में. वो कितने बजे उठती है, वो कब नहाती है, कैसे मैं उसको बाथ देती हूँ, क्या क्या चीज़ें मैं फॉलो करती हूँ उसे नहलाने के टाइम पर, कब वो अपनी पढ़ाई या एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करती है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करूंगी कि मैं वार्या की बात के लिए कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करती हूँ. As you can see, I've kept all the baby hug products here. I'm currently using the entire baby hug bath range for Varya, and I really like it. So I'm going to be sharing my review of the same with you in this video. But before moving any forward, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. It's free. Without further ado, let's begin the video.
Welcome to Baby Zone.
So, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन कि वार्या कितने बजे सोकर उठती है और कितने घंटे की नींद लेती है. Actually, she was waking up around 8:30 a.m. every morning when she started going to school. But thanks to COVID, schools दोबारा से बंद हो गए हैं, and then she also fell really ill. She had a lot of cough cold for the entire last month, and on and off उसका cold चले ही जा रहा था. So she wasn't really keeping well, and obviously रात की नींद भी डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी. So now currently she wakes up around 9 o'clock, and उसका मॉर्निंग रूटीन ऐसा ही है कि वो उठते ही सबसे पहले मिल्क लेती है. I give her breakfast around 11:30 because that's the time that she gets free from her bath and everything else, and आजकल वो घर पे ही है. So she has breakfast around 11:30, but वो सुबह उठते ही सबसे पहले मिल्क लेती है. Then we just play around for a little while, spend some time. Her dad spends some time with her, and then around 10 o'clock I take her for a bath. आजकल क्योंकि पीक विंटर्स हैं, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है दैट आई फील दैट शी हैज़ अ रनिंग नोज और शी इज़ नॉट फीलिंग वेल, तो मैं उसे रोज नहीं नहलाती. समटाइम्स आई स्किप अ डे, बट मोस्टली अराउंड 10:30 इज द टाइम दैट शी टेक्स अ बाथ. वार्या की बाथ के लिए currently we are using the Baby Hug Milky Wash. This is the packaging. It comes in 100, 200 and 400 ml. This Baby Hug head to toe wash is mild, gentle and pediatrician approved. It leaves her skin so soft and there is no dryness even after the bath. It has the nourishing and hydrating goodness of aloe vera, wheat germ oil as well as glycerin. It is absolutely free from chemicals and has a tear-free formula. Regarding washing her hair, I'm doing it once a week these days, or sometimes when required twice a week. And for her head bath, we usually use the Baby Hug tear-free shampoo. This again is dermatologically tested and is very mild and gentle. It has the goodness of aloe vera and wheat germ oil and is free from any chemicals. It has a tear-free formula and it does not irritate Varya's eyes. The best part is that it does not dry her scalp and leaves her hair so soft and smooth. Once she's done with her bath, I dry her up inside the washroom only, and then we use the Baby Hug moisturizing lotion. This too is free from any chemicals. It has a 24-hour moisturizing formula. It's non-greasy and gets absorbed quickly into the skin. It has the goodness of milk protein, wheat germ oil, aloe vera and glycerin that leaves her skin really soft and protects it from dryness. So जब वो बहुत छोटी थी, I used to give her a massage almost every night, या कभी कभी I used to give her a massage early in the morning and then give her a bath after around 2 hours. But आजकल वो रूटीन फॉलो नहीं हो पा रही है. Usually I give her a massage once or twice a week, mostly during the night, ताकि जब मैं उसको नाइट सूट पहनाने लगूँ उससे पहले I massage her and then she can go to sleep. So currently I'm using the Baby Hug massage oil for the same. This is an amazing product by Baby Hug. We've been loving it. We all know the benefits of massage for a child. It is really good to improve blood circulation and sleep quality भी improve करता है. The good thing about Baby Hug massage oil is that it is free from any sort of chemicals. This oil is made up of 7 wonder oils, which are olive, coconut, sesame, sweet almond, wheat germ, aloe and jojoba, and it has the goodness of all these oils. So this is what we use for her massage. It hydrates her skin and also keeps it nourished and soft. So mostly अब मैं उसे मसाज रात में ही कर रही हूँ whenever I do it. One thing that I've specifically changed in winters is कि उसको बाथ के बाद जो भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए होते हैं या उसके कपड़े स्पेशली, आई टेक इट इनसाइड द बाथरूम ताकि मैं उसको ड्राई करके एटलीस्ट एक लेयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स पहनाकर ही बाथरूम से बाहर निकालूं ताकि उसे ठंड नहीं लग जाए. सो हर बॉडी वॉश, शैम्पू, सोप, एवरीथिंग वाज ऑलवेज इनसाइड, बट नाउ ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड कीपिंग हर बॉडी लोशन इनसाइड. तो मैं उसका फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स और थर्मल अंदर से पहनाकर ही उसे बाथरूम से बाहर निकालती हूँ. So that is how her winter bath routine and the morning routine looks like these days. One more product of Baby Hug that I find really helpful these days is the Baby Hug Milky Wipes. These wipes are also something that I've been regularly using. आजकल winters में specifically I try to avoid taking her to the washroom every now and then to wash her face or her hands. So these wipes are a great rescue for me. These are also dermatologically tested. They come in a pack of 72 wipes and the lid is very secure. Once you use the wipe, you can tighten it up again and the remaining wipes inside do not get dry. You can use them to clean their face, their hands, their feet, their bum, anywhere that you feel that they've messed up. These wipes are 100% biodegradable and they are alcohol free and paraben free. These are India's first milk protein rich wipes. They have the goodness of sesame oil, aloe vera and vitamin E. So this is the entire range of the Baby Hug products that we are using and absolutely loving. I got my entire range of bath products for Varia from firstcry.com. That's where I do most of Varia's shopping from. Honestly been loving the entire range of bath and skincare products by Baby Hug and I would really recommend it to all the moms. You can check out their link in the description box below. I really hope you found the review helpful and you got some of your questions regarding the morning routine answered. Until next time, thank you for watching and happy parenting.